Sometimes, the best adventures are the ones you spend the least time planning. Introducing the Honda Pilot. Engineered from the ground up to take you where you've never been before. The Pilot gets moving with a muscular V6 bolted to an advanced automatic for confident, powerful acceleration. A tough yet supple suspension helps smooth the way. The torque flows through an available all-wheel drive system that can help keep you going when the going gets rough. Is that sand up ahead? Maybe mud. Could be a rocky trail. Pilot lets you adapt to just about anything the route throws at you. Thanks to a towing capacity up to 5,000 pounds, you can bring some of your biggest toys with you. When it really starts getting wild, the Pilot helps make downhills more manageable. Available underbody skid plates and trail torque logic can help you navigate the most uneven surfaces with confidence. Extra grippy tires work to tame the wilderness and keep you on track. And when you hit those steep slopes, the Pilot's available Trail Watch monitor can give you a preview of what's over the next crest until you find that perfect place.